Hello and welcome back to this series on the court cards. So, moving on, the Page of Pentacles. This is a card of new beginnings and material successes, learning and practicality, and it signifies a grounded, studious energy and the potential for growth in career, finances, or education. It's about exploring its symbolism, astrological association, and we're going to look at that Rider-Waite imagery and interpret some of it for you now. Some general meanings of the Page of Pentacles. Well, the Page of Pentacles is the youthful and grounded explorer of the material world. It represents the beginning of a journey focused on practical goals, establishing stability, building skills, or creating something tangible. It's about learning and growth, a desire to study or master something valuable. Opportunities come up when you draw this card, a chance to grow wealth, knowledge, or resources. It requires patience and persistence, so a commitment to small, steady steps towards success. So the Page of Pentacles encourages focus and diligence in pursuit of long-term goals. The Rider-Waite depiction of the Page of Pentacles is rich with symbolism. So the page is holding a pentacle. The young figure gazes intently at the pentacle, representing focus, determination, and a curiosity about material or practical matters. The lush green landscape, well, the fertile ground symbolizes potential, growth, and abundance, which reinforces the page's connection to prosperity and opportunities. The flowers and the trees in this card represent natural growth and harmony, highlighting the importance of patiently nurturing projects. And the page's posture, well, he's standing upright and he's quite contemplative. So this page suggests readiness to learn and taking responsibility. The card's imagery reflects a youthful but serious approach to building a solid foundation in one's life. The astrological association to this card is Capricorn and Saturn. The Page of Pentacles is often linked to Capricorn, which is the cardinal earth sign, and its ruler, of course, being Saturn. Capricorn traits: ambition, practicality, discipline, and a focus on long-term goals. These qualities align with the page's diligent, grounded energy. Saturn is the ruler. Saturn governs structure, responsibility, and perseverance. It emphasizes the page's patience and willingness to work steadily towards success. Through this lens, the Page of Pentacles embodies the spirit of hard work, commitment, and slow but steady progress. Key interpretations. Some positive aspects of this card and meanings are new opportunities. So this is the beginning stages of maybe a career, financial venture, or an educational pursuit. Learning and growth. There's a call to study when we draw this card, to train or gain skills that will bring long-term rewards. And the energy is very grounded. A practical step-by-step approach to achieve those goals. It's a card, of course, of manifestation, where we're turning ideas into tangible results through careful planning and hard work. Some negative aspects of this card could be a lack of focus, struggling to commit to those goals, or not feeling motivated. It's a card of missed opportunities, where we fail to recognize or act on that potential growth. And of course, impatience, wanting quick results without putting in the necessary effort. And also stagnation. So a period of hesitation or confusion could alter your path. So who is the Page of Pentacles in a reading? Well, the Page of Pentacles may appear as a person in your life, someone young, studious, and practical, a student or an apprentice eager to learn and grow, a messenger that brings news about financial or educational opportunities. Or maybe it's an aspect of yourself. So this is a reminder to embrace your inner student and focus on learning and take small, deliberate steps towards those goals. It's a call to nurture your ideas with patience and commitment. Or maybe this card has come up to tell you there's a situation around you. This could be the early stages of a project, a job, or an investment that has the potential for long-term success. It's about having a moment to lay down foundations, to study, to plan for one's future. So the earthy qualities of the Page of Pentacles are reinforced by this card's natural setting and its grounded energy. With the page gazing at the pentacle, it suggests focus and potential, while the lush landscape indicates growth and abundance. So this card reflects the connection between effort and tangible results, encouraging diligence and practicality. When interpreting the Page of Pentacles, focus on practicality and learning. Are you building a solid foundation for success? On what skills or resources can you cultivate? Consider its element, which is earth. Earth represents stability, patience, and hard work. How are these qualities showing up in your life? And the context in the spread. Is this card highlighting an opportunity, a person, or a mindset? Its placement will help clarify its role in your reading. The Page of Pentacles symbolizes the potential for growth, learning, and achievement in the material world. Its association with Capricorn and Saturn underscores its themes of diligence, responsibilities, and long-term success. The Rider-Waite imagery reflects the importance of patience and focus, reminding us that outstanding accomplishments begin with small, deliberate steps. Whether representing a person, a mindset, or a situation, the Page of Pentacles encourages you to approach opportunities with curiosity, discipline, and commitment to turning dreams into realities. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I do hope that you learned a little bit about the Page of Pentacles. If you want to learn more and you want to grow as a reader, why not have a look at my courses? They're designed specifically for people who wish to keep growing in their journey in tarot, and particularly for those that are professionals or want to be a professional. Here is the courses. Until next time, thank you for watching.